Some days, you read the tech news. Other days, the tech news, it reads you. Wow. Samsung Galaxy Fold devices weren't in reviewers' hands for long before they started breaking, partly due to user error, but also partly due to the device's design. iFixit published one of their extensive teardowns of the Fold, as they usually do for new tech, highlighting the fragility of the OLED display, the gaps in the hinge where particles of gunk can get in, and the apparent lack of proper Fold testing. Well, Samsung, understandably, doesn't want all that bad press out there in the wild, so they asked iFixit to tear down the teardown. Hey. iFixit doesn't technically have to comply with Samsung's request, but they did, allegedly out of respect. So I guess that worked out okay for Samsung, except now, in addition to talking about how the Fold was messed up, we're talking about how Samsung took down an article about the Fold being messed up, and that's messed up. It's called the Streisand effect.
Oh, why?
Because it makes you into a successful singer and actress. Very adored, beloved.
Love Barb.
When the Epic Game Store launched back in December, it was initially praised for only taking a 12% cut of game sales, leaving a fat 88% for developers. Steam, by contrast, gives developers around 70 to 80%, depending on how many titles they've sold. But many PC gamers' opinions of the Epic Game Store soured when they started announcing a huge number of exclusive games, which would not release on Steam at all. Well, now, Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney says there'll be a simple solution for that. He tweeted that if Steam committed to a permanent 88% revenue share for developers, Epic would not only stop the exclusives, but also consider putting their own games, like Fortnite, onto Steam. Yeah, I see. Wow, I guess Tim Sweeney really is a sweet boy, just trying to make PC gaming better, and not the head of a corporation who's trying to gain market share. It's so clear to me now. Thanks for the tweet, Tim. Tim Sweetie, they should call him. And some corners of the internet are talking about a seemingly net neutrality breaking service from Cox Internet called Cox Elite Gamer. The service promises PC gamers 34% less lag, 55% fewer ping spikes, and 45% less jitter by routing game activity through a dedicated gaming network to reduce latency. Hey, that sounds like a fast lane. Well, actually, the service doesn't increase or decrease speed. It's only available on Windows computers, and in reality, it's just a rebranded version of WT Fast, a service that has been available since at least 2017. And furthermore, it only really reduces your ping in certain scenarios, so I don't think we need to call our representatives about this one just yet. But what we do need to do is the Quack Bats, brought to you by Squarespace. You want to create a beautiful website without the hassle? You're gonna wanna check out Squarespace. Their all-in-one platform makes it easy to get up and running quickly with award-winning templates that you can just use them as a starting point for a wide range of projects. It's a burger joint, it's your accountant, it doesn't matter. Plus, Squarespace has amazing 24/7 customer support to make sure that building your website is a breeze. See, I put that extra wind in my voice. Need to sell stuff on your website? It's easy too. You can set up your store and easily manage your inventory and orders. So get your awesome website started today, or easily transfer your existing awesome website domain to Squarespace. Check them out at the link below. On to those wacky, quacky bits. The Quack Bash. A couple of weeks ago, it was discovered that some Amazon employees monitor Echo users' spoken commands to Alexa. But now, Bloomberg is reporting that employees can also access users' location data and easily find users' home addresses. Amazon has assured the press that access to these tools is highly controlled, but it's enough to make you switch to Google Home, isn't it? Not sponsored by Google. I'm sure there are no similar risks with that one.
Much safer.
Totally different. Samsung has unveiled this successor to its giant View Android tablet. The View 2 is a 17-inch 1080p slate that comes with a kickstand and a price tag of $740. That's a big tablet.
Whoa.
It's the chonky boy of tablets. Oh Lord, this tablet coming.
It's there.
After banning 6 Play Store apps from Chinese company DO Global, Google has gone ahead and just banned the rest of them. It just banned all the rest of the apps that company has. That's about 100 apps. These apps had over 600 million installs and were found to be committing ad fraud on behalf of DO Global. Well, thank goodness they're gone. I know I'm gonna be sleeping much safer in my Android bed tonight.
Those apps aren't coming for you anymore.
I live at the Play Store. If you've been having trouble installing the latest Windows update, it could be because you still got your USBs plugged in. That's a rookie move. Unplug all your USB storage, then try it again. Was this your first time trying to install an update?
Come on.
And a roadmap of Intel's processor launches has leaked, revealing that we can expect Comet Lake CPUs next year, followed by Rocket and Tiger Lakes in 2021. Who knows what that means practically, but it sure sounds cool, especially that Mike Tyson face tattoo Tiger Lake. I can't wait for that one. And when you're talking about processors, the sound of it's what is really important.
Yeah, they need to get better at it.
And it's important that we end this episode now because it's over and I need to get to the weekend. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope your weekend is stellar. And we'll see you on Monday for more tech news. All right, it's a date.